What a million miles, ho, nigga in the air. Shouts out to all the crew up in Cackalack. Hold it down for me. I'm representing, reporting from the bottom of this motherfucking map. The motherfucking king of the motherfucking trap. All the way up and never doubt that shit. Boy, let me tell you how we do it. We winning, we winning, we winning, we winning, we going in 2015 and I'm on, motherfucker, we strong. I'm going in, I'm never gonna stop. Never let the fucking laws take me down. All them hating ass bitches wanna keep on. They wanna try to take me down, but they never will. I got a million plugs, I got a million bucks, I got a million thugs, I got a million cars. I got the heart of a champion and I'm always going in. It ain't nothing you can do, you better sit there and participate. Don't get in the way. It's AK for days and banana clip for them monkeys trying to go dumb. I give you some of this shit. A motherfucker pushing pounds, nigga wanting them some. We win. We win. We win. We win. We win. It's hard, but we win. You see it in my eyes. I'm alive, nigga. Ain't no stopping it. Ain't no stopping it. Yeah, we on the shit. Picture perfect motion picture shit. A motherfucking gangster right here with the next clip. The nigga all real. I'm gonna make it rain for them bitches shit. And they dropping hoes like I dropped in those. Like I'm dropping nails. Fucking up, coming in there. I don't give a fuck, bitch. I'm turned up to the max, man. I do my shit, man. I'm from North Cat, and I ride back with my hat back, clean to the sight. Nigga never done nothing for me. Put that on Suge Knight, nigga. I ain't no fucking blood. Fuck with them scrubs, nigga. That's a fucking nub. Addicted to them whips, nigga never don't trip. I got my hand on my grip and my I'm a bustin', rushing, looking for the Undertaker. Just wildin' now, man, fuck them laws. I got them dope, but what you mean? Pushing all them pills, man, them loudest scream. Man, I made the team, hard on the scene. Nigga, we all in, ain't no coming back. Man, it's the life you chose. Don't you get scared of that. Ain't no turning back. Nigga, where you at? When the shit was on, I was here with my team out on the front lawn, standing strong, skidding on all day from night to dawn. Motherfuckers can't see me, so they talk shit and then they gone. Hide behind my face, try to run up to me, do this shit. A motherfucker get disgrace, trying to fucking put me out this fucking game. Never that, nigga, never turn down for nothing. Motherfucker, what you want? I ain't no sucker, I ain't your brother. Man, I fuck your sister and your mother, nigga. Huh? Rick Rawson, Big Bossin', it's the life it costs, and I learned some lessons. Nigga, I sharpen up my game. Nigga, can't fuck with that. Now I'm back on top and I ain't never going back. Woo! Cook dog, man, that fucking ass for real. Fuck y'all haters. See me how you see me. You never beat me, motherfucker.